Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 16 nautical miles northeast of Harrison Beaver Creek to 31st Street Harbor, moving south at 10 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Burns Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Marina Shores at Dune Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Hammond Marina, and Jackson Park Harbor. Now here is the forecast. Michigan coastal and open lake buoy observations.
Something set this alarm off. Oh, it's this thing. The lights won't come sticking.
Just the weather.
Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include
Jeez, I'll take.
mid-50s. Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of Lake waters from
Michigan.
Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan. At
Yeah, it is.
10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 8 nautical miles southwest of St. Joseph, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Buffalo and Michigan City. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.